We're in Florida. It's February, and we're lobster fishing on the tritoon. That's our first diver in the water. And he splashed me, and I can tell you the water is cold. What'd he get, Daniel? He got something in there?
Oh yeah, I see some spiny in there.
Uh-oh. First drop, spiny. I don't see why you just don't pour out about 3 gallons in the Gulf. Oh my goodness, nice. Hold that one up, Todd.
Oh, you only got one? Oh, so I didn't have a light.
He didn't have his flashlight.
You the only guy I ended up seeing at the end. Oh.
How you feeling?
Ready to get in the water?
You hot?
Yeah.
Did you get anything?
Well, it was a good spot.
Was it the
In all honesty, it was probably the...
surrounded in fog now. The sun is trying to break. Ain't quite me. Well, so far we've had a BCD break, BCD not fit. We're down to 2 BCDs.
I rigged that joker out.
See anything? Cooking with Dan. What you making, Dan?
Making some fresh lionfish ceviche. Coming up, baby.
We're right back off the tritoon. You can see I still got wind blown hair. We're cleaning a mangrove snapper. Dan shot it. It's one of the smaller ones of the day, but I like cleaning the small ones. So first thing with any fish, especially snapper, to have kind of hard scales is to have a very sharp knife. Find his backbone right there, right above those fins. Get you started and just run down. And what you'll do is just run down that back right there below those fins. Come all the way down. Right in, I like to flip my knife this way and just trace it out. Then you come on through it. Then you can hear it hitting the backbone right there. Hear it hitting that backbone. Come to the backbone, up and over, right below the right at the bottom of the anal fin. Then go over that backbone. You can see you kind of got a cubby hole there. Come up to the rib cage. Then I actually like to flip him over and do the other side. Then come right here, flip your knife this way, and cut to your other hole right there. Very simple. You have him done. At that point, I like to leave the skin on. I flip it over to my buddy to finish it off. And he takes it.
Just go right in between the meat and the skin. Just like that.
Makes for a beautiful fillet. Now what I like to do is cut the ribs out at this point. Throw them away, cut the pin bones out. And I actually like to flip him over and see that bloodline. We're gonna be freezing these fish, so I like to cut the bloodline out. Now if we're gonna eat them fresh, I just go ahead and cook it. But cut the bloodline out, you got a nice loin there. You can fry up, grill, whatever you wanna do. Then cut this side off. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.